Hi, everyone. It's so good to see you here today. I'm Blake, and I'm really happy you're joining us.
And I'm Zara. Hello, friends. We're so glad you're here. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this time with us.
Today, we want to talk about a very simple and very fun topic: hobbies.
Yes! Talking about hobbies in English is great for beginners. It's easy, it's friendly, and it helps you start conversations with new people.
Exactly. When you talk about your hobbies, you can make new friends, meet classmates, or even feel more comfortable speaking English every day.
But you know, many learners feel shy when they talk about themselves. I hear this all the time.
That's true. And if that's you, don't worry. You don't need big, difficult words. Simple English is more than enough.
Yes, really. Small, easy sentences can still help you connect with people and share what you love.
Before we start, let's warm up a little. Zara, how was your weekend?
It was very calm. I sat on my balcony with a hot cup of tea. I watched a short video on my phone. It felt very relaxing.
That sounds so nice. And it's already connected to our topic, because relaxing moments like that are part of our hobbies too.
Yes, and we want to help you talk about your hobbies in English with confidence.
Remember, mistakes are okay.
We're here with you. Let's learn together.
So, Zara, when you hear the word hobby, what comes to your mind?
For me, a hobby is something you love doing in your free time. Something simple. Something that makes you smile.
Yes, I feel the same. A hobby is something you choose, not something you must do. It's something that helps you relax after a busy day.
Exactly. When I think of hobbies, I think of quiet moments, or fun moments, or little things that help me feel calm.
Why do you think hobbies matter so much?
I think hobbies matter because they give us joy. They help us know ourselves better, and they help us rest.
That's true. For me, a hobby feels like a small break, a small breath.
Yes, a small breath. I like that.
And hobbies don't have to be big or special. They can be simple, really simple.
So true. I once tried painting as a hobby, but Blake, I was terrible.
Oh no.
My painting looked like I don't even know what it looked like.
But that's the fun part. You don't have to be good. A hobby is just something you enjoy.
Yes, enjoyment is the most important thing.
So, Zara, can I tell you about my main hobby?
Of course, Blake. I'm excited. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking simple food. I really love it.
Mm.
I started a few years ago when I was feeling stressed from work. One day I tried making a small dish, and it made me feel so calm.
Cooking simple food. That sounds very nice. What kind of food do you cook?
Mostly easy things. Things like soup, noodles, or small rice dishes. I like food that is warm and soft. It makes me feel peaceful.
When do you usually cook?
I usually cook in the evening. After a long day, I turn on some soft music and I start cutting vegetables slowly. I like that moment. It feels like a quiet break.
So, cooking helps you relax.
Yes, very much. When I cook, I feel calm. Sometimes I even feel a little proud, especially when the food tastes good.
That's wonderful. And it's a great example for our learners. You said simple food, easy food, and small dishes. These are nice, basic words.
Exactly. And I want everyone watching to remember something important. You don't need perfect English to talk about your hobby.
Yes, you can use small words, easy words.
You can say things like, I like cooking, or I cook in the evening. That's enough.
And it still shows your heart and your story.
Yes, that's what matters most.
Now it's my turn, Blake. I want to share my hobby, too.
Yes, please. I've been waiting. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is taking slow walks. Very slow walks. I like to walk in the evening when the air feels soft and cool.
That sounds lovely. Why do you enjoy slow walking so much?
I enjoy it because it makes my mind quiet. When I walk, I feel peaceful. I don't think too much. I just breathe, look around, and move gently.
So, walking helps you relax, just like cooking helps me relax.
Yes, exactly. It gives me a calm feeling, a simple feeling. And it's easy. Anyone can take a slow walk.
True. Where do you usually walk?
I usually walk near my home. There is a small street with trees. I like the sound of the leaves. It feels like the trees are saying hello to me.
That's a sweet image, Zara.
And I want to say this in a very simple way. Walking helps me feel good, helps me feel calm, helps me feel happy. Sometimes repeating it helps learners understand better.
Yes, repetition is great.
Oh, and once I was walking so slowly, so peacefully, that I didn't see a little step on the path. I tripped over it.
Oh no!
I didn't fall, but I looked around like, did anyone see that?
We've all had moments like that.
Yes, and that's the fun part. My hobby is calm, but sometimes it surprises me.
Your hobby and my hobby are different, but both help us feel good.
Yes, and that's what hobbies are for.
You know, Zara, sometimes I think about trying a new hobby.
Oh, that's exciting. What hobby are you thinking about?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe something small, like drawing, but I feel a little nervous.
That's okay, Blake. It's normal to feel nervous when you try something new.
Do you think it's hard to start a new hobby?
Not at all. You don't need special skill. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need a lot of money. You can start very small.
That's true. Even simple things can be hobbies.
Yes. For example, you can try writing short notes, listening to soft music, or taking pictures of the sky. These are easy, beginner-friendly hobbies.
I like that. Little hobbies, simple hobbies.
Exactly. And for everyone watching, maybe ask yourself, when was the last time you tried something new?
It doesn't matter if you are good or bad.
Yes, the important part is that you tried.
And if you want to try a new hobby now, you can start with one small step.
We believe in you. You can do it in your own time, in your own way.
Zara, maybe we can help our viewers describe their hobbies in easy English.
Yes, I think that's a great idea. And it's actually very simple.
Very simple. You can start with patterns like I like
Or, my hobby is.
or I enjoy.
These small patterns are powerful. They help you speak clearly and confidently.
For example, you can say I like cooking and then add one small detail like in the evening.
Yes, or you can say, My hobby is walking, and then add a simple detail like near my home.
You don't need long sentences.
No, you don't. Short and simple is perfect.
And when you talk to someone, you can repeat a little. Repeat slowly. Make your meaning clear.
For example, if someone doesn't understand, you can just say the same thing again, but slower.
That's what we do here, too.
Yes, because repetition helps learning.
And for everyone watching, please don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are normal, very normal.
You can speak slowly.
You can pause,
You can breathe.
and you can still share your hobby with confidence.
You know, Zara, people around the world talk about hobbies in different ways.
Yes, and that's the beautiful part. Some people talk a lot, some talk a little. Some share many details, and some share only one simple thing.
And all of it is okay.
For example, in some places, people ask, "What do you like to do?"
And you can answer very simply. You can say, I like cooking, or I like walking.
And if you want to keep the conversation going, you can ask an easy question back, like, "And you?" Or, "What about you?"
Yes, these small questions help you have a friendly, natural talk.
You know, one time, my hobby of walking helped me make a new friend.
Really?
Yes, I saw someone walking the same street many evenings. One day, we smiled at each other. Then, another day, we said hello. And slowly, we became friends.
That's such a warm moment.
It shows that hobbies can connect us to people.
And everyone watching can do the same thing.
Yes, you can talk about your hobby with simple words. You can share your world.
And you can feel confident doing it. Now, let's look at some very simple hobby words you can use today.
Yes, just a few easy words. Let's say them slowly together.
First word, hobby. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. For example, my hobby is cooking.
Next word, free time. Free time means the time when you are not busy. For example, I walk in my free time.
Third word, relax. Relax means to feel calm. For example, cooking helps me relax.
Fourth word, enjoy. Enjoy means you like something. For example, I enjoy reading.
Fifth word, practice. Practice means doing something again and again to get better. For example, I practice drawing a little every day.
And one more word, try. Try means to do something new. For example, I want to try a new hobby.
These words are simple.
And they are helpful.
Use them today.
Talk about your hobby with confidence.
So friends, let's take a quiet moment to remember what we learned today.
Yes, we talked about hobbies and how easy it is to speak about them in simple English.
We showed you small patterns like I like, my hobby is, and I enjoy.
And we shared that you only need short sentences, really simple ones,
We also talked about taking small steps.
and not being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. They help you learn.
We reminded you that hobbies can help you relax, feel happy, and connect with new people.
And we told some personal stories too, because hobbies are personal and warm.
Yes, and they help you share a little part of your heart.
So, remember, speak slowly, breathe, and enjoy the learning process.
You're doing great.
And we're right here with you.
Before we finish, we have a little question for you.
Yes, today's question is very simple. What is your hobby?
Or you can answer, what do you like to do in your free time?
You can write just one short sentence in the comments.
For example, I like cooking in the evening.
Or, my hobby is walking near my home.
Or even, I enjoy reading.
Simple answers are perfect.
Every small sentence is good practice.
We're excited to read your answers and learn about your hobbies.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Yes, thank you, friends. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe so you can learn with us every week.
You can also share your thoughts and your hobby in the comments. We love reading them.
You're doing a great job learning English,
Truly, we're proud of you.
and you are always welcome here.
We hope to see you in our next lesson.
Take care, everyone.
See you soon.